The LM331 is a three-wheel, three-unit mower designed for tee areas and around the bunkers. Because of the three-wheel design, it can hug and follow all the contours and undulations around the bunkers and mow beautifully and accurately. It comes equipped with the 26-inch standard cutting units and can optionally switch to the multi-configuration unit for multiple applications. With a hydrostatic transmission circuit and three-wheel drive, the LM331's operation is smooth and performs especially well on sloped areas. Baroness's bed knife, Takumi, elevates durability and cutting quality to a new height. The bed knife, Takumi, uses high-speed steel on the tip of the blade, making it extremely strong, extending durability, and sustaining further the high cutting quality on the greens. Combining it with different greens mower reels and adjustable bed knife angles, you can easily configure various cutting setups. We highly recommend Takumi, an optional bed knife that can help you achieve your ideal greens.